Hi, welcome to Salsita Linda. My name is Alexis and today we are going to be cooking chicken taquitos. So let's get cooking.
First, you will need shredded chicken. I pre-cooked mine using 2 chicken breasts and boiled them with half a white onion, garlic, salt, pepper, and oregano. Or you can buy pre-made rotisserie chicken. Corn tortillas. This recipe makes around 6 to 8 taquitos. And a servilleta or kitchen towel to keep the tortillas warm. For the toppings, you will need salsa. I will link this recipe down below. And for the guacamole, I keep it simple. 2 ripe avocados, 1 lime, and salt. First, let's make the guacamole. Slice the avocado down the middle and remove the pit. Next, slice the avocado. Scoop everything into a mixing bowl. Using a fork, smash the avocados. Next, add lime juice, and salt. Next, warm the tortillas. It's important to warm the tortillas first so they don't break when you roll them. After a couple of minutes, put the tortillas in a servilleta or kitchen towel to keep warm. Next, preheat vegetable oil and add enough to cover half an inch of your pan. Let the oil sit over medium-high heat for 5 to 10 minutes depending on the size of your pan. To test the heat, take a wooden cooking utensil and place it in the oil. If you see bubbles, your oil is ready. Next, take a warm tortilla, tightly roll in the chicken, and add it to the pan. Rotate for even cooking. Cook until golden brown and your taquitos are ready. To serve, add the salsa, a generous amount of cotija cheese, and the guacamole on the side. wash them.